How to redeem Hulu gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to redeem a Hulu gift card and apply the code to your account. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Hulu gift card or Hulu redeem code. After you search it, at the top you can easily find the options like redeem a gift card under the section of Hulu.com. Simply tap on that website. After you come on the official site of Hulu, from here you'll have to just enter your gift code. For that, enter the gift or redeem code from here. After you enter that redeem code, at the bottom tap on redeem. After you tap on that, you can easily redeem that gift card on your account. So this is the easiest and simplest method, as you have to just first log in with your account on Hulu. For that, tap on login at the top right. After you log in and add this redeem code on your account, you can easily add or redeem that gift on your Hulu account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.